Welcome to Dinaris Farms Kitchen. Today, we're making homemade coffee creamer. It's great for your morning cup of coffee, and it doesn't include all the oil that you find from the name brand coffee creamers at your stores. Let's go ahead and get started. So before I add it to the pan, all I have here, I have a half-gallon jar. This has 5 cups of milk. You can use any milk of your choice. I've got some vanilla. You'll be using about a teaspoon of vanilla. I've got a half a teaspoon of salt to balance the sweet. And then I also have 2 14-ounce cans of sweetened condensed milk. So once you've added all the ingredients to a 3-quart pot, we're going to turn the stove on to a medium to medium high heat, and we're going to stir constantly until all the ingredients are well combined and warmed through before we transfer it back to our jar. Now that my mixture is well combined and warmed, we're going to turn the heat off and we're going to move over to the sink to pour. Obviously, be very careful when pouring. And then I like to use, I have a wide mouth jar attachment that is also a handle with a pour spout. Makes it much easier to work with in the morning. And there you have it, homemade coffee creamer. Thank you for joining me while I made it. If you like this video, please like and comment. And if you enjoy more videos like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.